Enkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha SABC lihaye. Ngoku ke mbukeli masijonge kumanye amabali akhuthazayo ingakumbi ke kumntwana ontsundu. uHenry Nyathi ngusomashishini, umvelisi nomseki weHenley Technologies. Waba ngundabamlonyeni ke njengomntu wokuqala omnyama waseMzantsi Afrika ukuyila nokuphuhlisa uphawu lwe-laptop olunegama lakhe. Wazalelwa kwilali yaseMokopotong kwiphondo laseLimpopo waza wafudukela eRhawutini eselula. Ukufumana ke ulwazi neenkcukacha ezithe vetshe masimamkele apha estudio uHenry Nyathi. Mnumzana uHenry, masikubulise sikwamkele sibambe ngasibini ngexesha lakho.
Nabulela sisikolosa, ngibulise nababukeli ekhaya.
Oh, buthe uzabulisa ngeSixhosa ke kwatshintsha phi?
Hayi ngibulisa ngaso, ngiyathetha isiXhosa. Ngiyathetha.
Kuluvuyo nochulumanco masiqale sithi wuntshu ngomsebenzi omhle kangaka. Akusiyo yonke imihla apho sawubona umuntu wentsundu ethi uvelise into yakhe. Usuka kwilali yaseLimpopo, siyaqonda into yokubana kudla ngokuthiwa xa usuka ezilalini it's a dim world for you to shine because akho mntu ozakufundisa indaba ze-laptop. Indaba yokuthi uvelise i-laptop isuke njani?
Sisi lento yaqala with a dream. Ngizonikeza just a short story ngami. Nje uHenry Nyathi lo ngazalele eSoweto, mangizalele eSoweto with abazali bami, the grandmother the grandfather baya lamakhaya bathi eMakotopong eLimpopo. That's where the dream started. And I remember mangifika kule emakhaya bangana electricity, bangana nex. So it was just only indawo nje bona inkomo siye esikolweni. Ngafonela umama ngambuza ukuthi why mina ngiza lapha emakhaya. Umama athi ngifuna ukukhule Henry until mawuso right you'll come. Okay, ngayeka kanjalo. I grew up kule eMakotopong with that small village. Then kunenye umfana baphuma eRosebank. He was coming to the village. Then he told me nge-TV game ukuthi idlalwa kanjani. So by that time bungana electricity. Then wangitshela ukuthi kune game bayibiza ukuthi Pac-Man, Super Mario. Then he told me the games zonke. So I start now imagination myself playing the game ngidlala. Mangisendlini ngilele ngiqabanga ngidlala. Ngathi mangikhula ngifuna ukuthi siye ngizoyenza. I was 8 years old by that time. Then imfiso yami was ngayenza kanjani igame ukuthi sidlale. Because this guy ngitshela ngalento ngayazi.
Uyakubonisa una umfanekiso walento kanye ukuxelela nje.
Ungitshelela nje ukuthi unayo, uyeza unayo igame uyayidlala. So idream yami ukuthi nami ngibe nayo. So ngiyambuza every day ukuthi le game le bayibiza ngokuthi uthi TV game. Ngithi okay fine. One day izanayo. Athi no, mina ngidlala nama white boys. I beat them there. No one will beat me in this village. Ngithi no man. Just come with it one day sidlala. Then the guy one day visually came with a game. And when he came with a game, bukune electricity that day. Sadlala naye. Ngamshaya ngale game yaze ngayo. So by he was telling me those games. So ngalelanga mangicela ukumshaya athi Henry, you are good in games. Can you come to Joburg one day? No, ngizoza kanjani. I'm still young. I was 9 years old by that time. The years passed. Then one day my grandmother wanginikeza imali ukuthi ngobhatala school fees.
Wayitya lo mali.
Ngahamba ngathatha itaxi ngayo ngaze eJoburg. That's where I got lost. Then mangilahleka I was a street kid.
Hayibo.
Yeah, bengisestradeni ngilahlekile. My parents were worried.
So usuka wena xa ugibela itaxi kukhona umuntu ozawufikela kuye okanye uyabona phambili?
Bengizobona phambili.
Usacinge lanto yokuba uze eGoli.
Ngizogoli ngiyodlala ama game.
Sure.
So mangifika lapha ngalahleka end up ngise Hillbrow. My first meal was on a dustbin. Yeah, then that's where I've realized I messed up. So I remember
Unangaphi ke ngelo xesha?
I was 11 years old. Then my parents were worried. My mother, my father, they were praying, going eLimpopo, kanti mina ngiseJoburg. So that's where only thing le bengiyenza estrateni bengidlala ama game. yeah, vets, abantwana bazofaka imali and go and attend then classes. Mina I'll continue with those games, playing those games. So,
Uzoqala nini ke ngoku indaba ube serious ngendaba yamakhompyutha and elibali lakho ingathi lide kakhulu sendifuna ukwazi nokuthi abazali bakho bayakhangela wena ubhizi useRhawutini
NdiseRhawutini.
uhlala estratweni uzofumaneka nini plus ke ngoku uconnectwa ngubani into kubana ngoku ithathe lento seriously?
the guy called Saki, and also even my brother Eddie Musana, huye wangitshela ukuthi kumele uyenze IT. Mabaceda ukungithola ekhaya with back again with my parents. Then I got sick. I didn't have matric mina because of I missed studies. Then I did electronics at college N1, N2, and 3. Then make me qualify to all varsities and everything. Then I went to Devon Computer College. I went with my brother, Eddie, the one who says, Henry, you good ngama computer. Go and study IT. Ngayenze IT, ngabuya mangibuya, ngatshela abazali ukuthi mina ngifuna ukwenza i-computer yami bayibiza ukuthi Henry. Ngibe my own IT company. And my parents, they didn't believe because bathatha imali bangise esikolweni mina ngifuna ukuba ne-computer yami, ne-IT company yami. Why? So my parents just supported me and no brother yami, Eddie Pule. Then from there, 2007, I registered the company called Henley Technologies. Henley Technologies, I built a computer for other brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo.
Okay.
Yeah, then I was doing 10-key solution like networking server. Then I told him my contract with other service providers. Like so somebody told the project with government, they'll come to us, go Henley, then Sbayenze.
So the idea of ke ngoku into kubana okay, I've worked with these other brands and benzele computer zabo leyo ukuthi ngoku let me have into ezoba segameni lam ifika nini and uku-initiator kwakho because ndiyacinga into kubana yondlwane iyanetha uvele uvuke kwangomso wenza computer.
No, you're right, Lapo. This journey, it started with a passion. You know, it's something that I want to do this. I want to have my own IT company. So first, it starts with the passion. After passion, it starts with the research. You can't just wake up. Starting a school, you go to school, study this. You start with the love. Then I turned. Then we turned, loving it, did my own research. And this industry, I quite easy. You know, you need to register, you need to comply with ICASA approval, proudly South Africa. There's a lot of processes. It took me since 2007. I've worked until 2010. I closed down. I went outside the country to get other information. You know, I've traveled and I've seen it, and all I did is just with parents and family.
Wow.
Yeah, and I started this thing, you know, Chris, again, my cousin, and with no funding. We started without funding. And you only got funding when now things are coming all right. So
wow.
Then that's where I started the whole thing.
Zizo phofu ziyasebenza ngabakanti
No,
umdlalo ndifuna ukuyibona hayi
no.
iyalaita
No, because
iyo le.
yeah, because what happened, the industry IT it differ. We check a brand Henley. So the design yethu, so we've partnered with Intel and Microsoft. Yeah, because you need a certain software to do that. But our aim is to do the whole manufacturing plant in South Africa. Yeah, you know, at least some other things we still outsource in China. Yeah, kuna nyama parts we can't do them in South Africa.
In China.
Yes, so, but Henley is an OEM. So an OEM is a manufacturing. After manufacturing, it goes to the distributor. Then after distributor, there are my resellers. After resellers is end users. So it's like in future, you can't buy directly from Henley. Maybe on the partners that we've partnered with. I'll give you an EG, maybe good Telkom, Vodacom. If we communicate with them, we'll say package it, go put it in your telecom store. So those negotiations we're busy making on them. So even the resellers.
This is quite interesting because I mean ngenene nangenyaniso kudla ngokutsho into kubana ama-Afrika ayizo beggars kodwa they are creators, and ngatsho into bana nawe you are living that proof, and akho lula ukuqala ishishini elibumila kunje because uzofumanisa ubukhulu becala abona bantu abakwaziyo ukwenza izinto engabelungu, because already uzofumanisa into kubana umkhulu wakhe wayeneshishini elinje futhi ufumana nenkxaso kuwe. Ke ngoku ngathi mhlawumbe ezeziphi challenges othe wahlangabezana nazo so uthe wabalula indaba ye-funding, ungumuntu omnyama akho mntu kowena uzawuthi nanku nekhompyutha kwaye ndiqinisekile noba unkqonkqoza kwiminyango ye-IT uzawujongelwa phansi because there are not many black names in this industry.
No, you're quite right there, because of if we peg a lento, Africa we still brand conscious. You understand? That's number one. And also we are Thomas. We want to see it, say Pele. So those kind of things. But I still believe Africa, we have to create our own solution. Our own solution. So not to somebody as from outside that can this thing. So I believe South Africa, we have ideas, we have good entrepreneurs, and the only challenges again is funding, as Usho. Nami mangqala abantu bathi ngeke uyenze lento. So if you look at Europe, states, they still have billionaires. Why they have billionaires? Because of they believe in ideas. So githi finance yethu, we still need to bring 3 months back statement, those kind of things. So our funding model is wrong.
And then after souls you don't get any
approval. So yeah, and after all, I've realized I did get a funding Google Gap Enterprise Papella. It is working, and also they've funded us about almost 6 million. And on top of that, it's the biggest challenge that I had, because we had to get the computers outside, parts outside of China, come here, assemble it. It's skill asiko South Africa again. You understand? So I had to do those things. One sometimes when you go and ask these ones, you understand? So I end up, even the client that was looking for computers were canceling order. So you end up staying with a bill over 6 million. You understand me? And system is there, you understand? So there's funding model melelungiswe. You understand me? So, but as Ushilo, I still believe Africa can develop, is a lot to offer.
Bayasho bathi African problems for African solutions, and londo leyo ayiphuculi okanye ayibeki sonka etafileni kuwe kuphela kodwa nakwanye abantu njengoba ubalula indaba ye-skills gap. I mean, even when we look at education curriculum yethu, izifundo abantwana abazifundayo, they don't match the job market. Ingaba mhlambe kule IT space othe wabakuso kuba ngoku so usekwisihlalo esiphezulu uyakwazi ukuqasha abantu, uyakwazi ukuthi izani zosebenza. Is it something that you also picked up into abana there's a skills shortage up in South Africa?
Yeah, kakhulu. The reason why ngavula a foundation called Henley Foundation. So with Henley Foundation, lento siyenzayo, we do training for free. We provide computer labs for free and do connectivity. Partners with schools, siyenzi robotic, and teach them. Because partners with other companies, because at the moment the company we can't afford just to give just like that. But with the knowledge that we have, siyagula companies have actually ideas, then basinikeza ama computer, we go deliver to schools until siba right tina. That's where we'll start now funding those assets. But then at the moment we can't. But as we show skill, we still lack skill kakhulu. So why? Because of siyatenga thina each and every time. We don't put everything in Africa. No, even if it's a brand, but you are in control of it. If you remember the days here COVID, umuntu bafuni computer nje, whether as long as ingayenzi Zoom, be right. But then before, somebody's saying, I need this brand, I need this brand. But during COVID, you just wanted a computer just to work. So we need to take that brand conscious away. No, these things are if it's come from Africa, I still believe it needs to be supported.
Yeah. And kulendo ayibalulayo eyoba mhlambe sentsho kwi foundation yethu nenza nento ze robotics. I mean i-AI ngoku kuyatsho into kubana sekwisisisigaba sesine sobuxhakaxhaka bale mihla ndingakulahlanga. That is the fourth industrial revolution. And yafuna uqonda ke ngoku into kubana with i-Henley computer ingaba mhlambe zeziphi izinto ezi-additional oqonda uba ufuna zibe ne-touch yakho zingafani nezinye. So what makes it unique and different?
No, it's nini, because if you check, it's the server. Server yethu, we control it. Let's say you have the computer le.
Yeah.
Yaka Henley, mawithenga uyayibona, then
wow.
yeah, mawusebenzisa, it logs to the cloud server. So ngikunikeza i-email yakho, then you don't save on this. Hit on the server. Then you can have username and password. No more ungalahla this computer. You can,
yeah. That on its own,
yes.
Ibe unique.
Then it's develop AI as well. Let's say you troubleshoot. Izokhuluma isishangane. Imoshekile computer wena ilungisi this and this with.
Ithethe isishangane.
Izoshare Zulu. No, yeah, izothetha. It's off. No, like that's the software that we've developed at the moment. So sizoyifaka in future a computer is over with those things, troubleshooting with your own language. If it's Zulu, all SA languages.
And solo ndithi ndiyarhalela naxa kukwi navigation efonini into ezawuthetha ulwimi lwakho ixele into yokubana jika ngasekunene jika kwela cala hamba ngolu hlobo.
So that's those kind of things. And number two, if we ilahlekile computer, you can still go and use another computer, type username and password, then information yabo and work. So we understand that the whole IT industry, so it's not only e-computer, we're building a 5-year projection, technology, but we have a lot of innovators, we got software developers, we're still looking for funding to do 100 manufacturing plant. Sisase busy. We're still learning because we are changing technology each and every day.
So uzawuthi ngoku kuba uyatsho into kubana le company uyivukile ngo-2007 ungathi zingaphi computer esele nizenzile kuba njongene lapha kwimifanekiso into kubana zikhona nasezikolweni. Speak to us about initiatives ne programs eninazo apho nisabalalisa uHenley kuzwe lonke.
No, esngisho most of the time business mangiqala, just to answer your question, angiqalela for imali. Yeah, it came nge passion. So
but uyayenza imali malini?
Not kwama nje ngisayifuna imali.
Cela ungeke utsho naxa ikhona.
Yeah, no ngisayifuna imali. If ikhona bengeke kubela namhlanje.
That is a money laugh.
No, but as ngisho ukuthi for me passion like him, it's not about money. If Beggars Vuli Foundation, I would rather say, I mean, good foundation, how many computer labs is building, and it's not how many laptops I've sold. So I'm calculating how many we've opened computer labs with those rural areas. Bengsema Kotopong to the school that I studied, Kune computer lab. There's a school in Soweto that have built those computer labs. So I like going to foundation with what have I done? Do you understand? So I don't want to look at so many okay. Because at the moment busy in Angola, we're connecting good satellite yabo. So we'll be giving you this computer with internet connectivity. Now we see so but then in the rural area was a Henley computer in the internet you connect automatically. So we're building our own network infrastructure.
Amazing.
Henley Connect.
Henley, your story is quite inspirational, especially usuka nje kwindawo encinanana esezilalini yaseLimpopo. Ngaphambi kokuba nje siyiqwele siyiqonqothe okokugqibela ndiyafuna uthethe nomuntu obukele ekhaya osakhulayo oqonda into kubana apho ndihlala khona obviously i-background yam does not define ikamva lam. Nawe from the dusty streets zaseLimpopo you made it, uhlala nasestratweni wabasi street kids entsho ubomi bakho nje inyawo zinodaka. Uthini kuyo ukuthi naye amaphupho wakhe ayakwazi ufezeka ingakumbi abantu abathi thina sifuna ukuqala izinto zethu singama-Afrika?
I will say never give up. You know, one thing for sure, kuzoba abantu bathi you'll never make it, but always believe in yourself. You know, I still believe ukuthi wonke umuntu uze lapha emhlabeni une-purpose. So sometimes you just need to find out those purpose. There will be naysayers, but ngeke yenzakale. But if you believe and trust, ukuthi izoyenzakala. Mina, my motive was prayer. Thixo. Yeah, my mother and my father, Kai and umkhulu wami, they've been praying. So, whatever that I've done, it was through prayers. And it's not only prayers kuphela, but you must go there and work.
Even if it means phansi kwesitrata.
Hamba khona. So, but never give up. One thing for sure, always challenges zizofika. Now, it's not my challenges, but we always need to fight.
Oh, na cancer.
Ngikhense ngopfu sis.
Sikhense nkomfu. Thank you so much for babe nathi apha eSABC lihaye kwaye nathi sikothulela umnqwazi ngomsebenzi omhle owenzayo. Ungawenzeli isiqu sakho koko uphucula noqoqosho laseMzantsi Afrika. Angake inkomo zakho zingazala amaduna namathokazi. Umzi kaAfrika nawo abeke sonke etafileni ngenxa yokuba ulandele iphupho lakho nawe you never gave up on your dream. Thank you so much for joining us. Sikunqwenelele okuhle kodwa.
Ndiyabulela sis.
Enkosi. Right, mbukeli we-SABC lihaye besithetha naye kaloku mbukeli yena uHenry Nyathi. Uthe wavelisa ke mbukeli i-laptops ezaziwa ngokuba mbukeli zeza kwaHenry. Besincokola naye ngohambo lwakhe nangendlela mbukeli athe wabe kanti uqaqambisa elishishini ingakumbi kumntu ontsundu. Sawuthi qhike mbukeli sibhatala amatyala